Hey guys, welcome back to Dizzle in Motion. Today we're going to talk about something kind of cool, interesting development in the fight against modern 21st century warfare here. As you guys all know, drone warfare is now taking off. You look at the conflicts in Russia and Ukraine, everything from dropping, literally manually drop grenades on dudes, to chasing things down, to being improvised flying IEDs and everywhere in between. So this is a massive risk. You look at what went on with Iran and Israel, Iran shooting, in addition to all the missiles they shot, they sent over a bunch of drones too. And the Houthis down south, coming out of Yemen and everywhere else, that's their preferred method of delivery. So it's very hard to detect drones. This is a very big deal, very big concern. You saw this movie back in the day. They kind of alerted to this a few years back, so it's been a known issue. You look at the assassination attempt on Donald Trump. Imagine if the kid had used drones there. And they use drones for counter surveillance and counter battling maneuvers also. So this is just a developing thing that's going to continue going on. So what happened recently is it's a joint thing between the Saudis and us over in Saudi Arabia, and they're doing these training exercises with basically Apache, the attack helicopters. And what they're trying to do is reconfigure their Hellfire missiles so that they can be used to combat drones, because the problem with drones is, again, they're very small, they're harder to detect on radar, they don't see them until the last minute. So if you're in a theater of operation and you have helicopters that have more sensitive equipment for radar, as well as visual acuity of being in proximity of the drones, then it would make more sense to be able to engage them at a closer proximity or a last minute that maybe a surface air missile would not be able to launch in time. So that's basically the premise of this exercise that they were doing. I'll go ahead and show you guys a clip here.
Require visually. Got him visually. Fire. Radar range. Radar range 3.4. Clear fire. Clear fire. Rifle. Rifle. Rifle.
So as you can see, it seems to be pretty successful overall. Now, the Hellfire missiles aren't cheap. They're a couple $100,000 to run these systems, and a drone is anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000. So you can see China, Iran, any bad actors, they launch a swarm of these things for $1 million. They can send a ton of these drones into a target, and it would cost still millions of dollars, if not tens of millions, to repel the attack, if you could even do it. Because theoretically, if you had 1,000 drones, you could swarm somewhere and it would be really bad. So anyways, this is the future of warfare. It's good to see they're addressing it. It's an interesting tactic to see. And I'm glad to see that we're not just sitting back and relying on remote EMP technology and some other stuff that they've been working on. Anyways, quick video for today. Some cool stuff. Anytime it's the military, it's pretty badass. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one.